Decatur Road, Mom. I am videoing it. This is the bottom of Decatur Road. Going to bring Zachary and them food. They ain't got no power. There's a guy with the tractor down there helping out the road. There's down power lines and everything. Oh shit, be careful.
I almost just took it with my tire.
I know. This is why Zachary and them don't have power. They probably ain't gonna have power for a long time. So if they want, I think I'm gonna offer them if they want to go to the hotel. We can all fucking hang out in the hotel. I'm gonna offer Mom.
Shit.
I told you not to go up this way.
I think I can get over. I think I can get through.
You're stupid. Oh my God.